So this is the third update on my lettuce garden. I have it planted to where it's going to be cut and come again. There should be probably 2,000 plants growing in here if they all come up. Right now about 85% has come up. I still have one row here in this garden that hadn't come up. All these are different plants. The same thing with this next garden. There's one row that hadn't, and then the last garden on the end there's two rows that hadn't come up. But we'll see if they don't come up. It's no big deal. There's so much in here. I added some wood in here, got my ladders down after the storm, and I'm going to leave this up for a while. It does, being it's white, when the sun does come out right now, it gives us more light. Plus we're getting rain all the time, and these are small plants, so we'll keep it on. It was a cheap thing to do. I might just do it all summer long. I'll just keep the ends open to where they breathe better. But we'll do a new update next week and show you how big the lettuce is getting. This is the no power garden. It's all gravity fed. Keeps the fluid in there. You don't have to worry about running out. I got this particular setup on a 55-gallon barrel. You can see the fluid in it, so you won't go empty. And then it comes up into here, and there's a float. I've showed you in the videos on how it's all done. But we won't need that bucket down there to catch the rain, because we shouldn't get any water in here at the moment, but I'm going to leave it all there.